Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chelsea G. Kello. I'm a makeup artist from Los Angeles, California. And today's video, I wanted to do a eyebrow tutorial and I wanted to show you how to determine your client's brow shape and how to fill them in. I'm gonna be doing this today on my lovely model, Cecil. So let's get into it. The first thing you wanna do is determine the brow shape. She has an arch-shaped brow. It goes from low, high, low. You can also lift your brow and see where the high point is, and this shows me that she has a very arched brow. You want to start at the bridge of the nose, not at the nostril, because that can start your brow too far out. So now I'm just gonna see where I want to start the brow. And I'm gonna place a little dot where I want it to start. And I'm gonna do her brows quite thick. She has very thin brows, and I think like a fluffier brow looks really good on her face. And then I just measure the outer brow and see where I'm gonna end the brow. If you are doing makeup on a client, you can rest your hand this way on their face, to where your pinky and your hand is resting softly, and it just gives you more control. So I'm just gonna start at that point, and I call it the baseline, and do small little strokes in a straight line all the way across. Now you want to do the same thing as the bottom, just small strokes at the top of the brow, parallel lines that have them intersect at the end. You can lift the brow again to see exactly where you want to do that arch. Some people will do their arch in the wrong place. It's not natural, so when they lift their brows naturally, it doesn't lift where it should, so you want to be careful with that and just lift your brows, or have your client lift their brows just like she's doing, just to see exactly where you need to do that arch. And just keep brushing through as you go along to make it look more natural. And then you want to fill in from there. Same thing, doing little soft strokes and then brushing through. Now repeat the same thing on the other side. Now I'm just cleaning up the brow with a concealer. This step is optional, but I did make a few mistakes that I wanted to clean up. And that's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some value out of this. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Leave any comments if you have any questions for me. See you on my next video.